Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects nearly every adult in America: car insurance. I know. It doesn't sound like the most exciting subject, but stick with me. Understanding your car insurance isn't just about paying a bill every month, it's about building a financial safety net that can literally save you from ruin. Think of it this way. Your car is one of the most expensive things you own, and you take it out into the world every day, surrounded by countless risks. So let's talk about why having the right coverage is one of the smartest decisions you can make. We'll break down what it is, why it's so critical, and how it protects you in ways you might not even realize. By the end of this video, you'll see car insurance not as a burden, but as your personal financial bodyguard on the road. First things first, what exactly is car insurance? Simply put, it's a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a regular fee called a premium, and in exchange, the company agrees to pay for specific car-related financial losses. This isn't just a suggestion. In almost every state, it's the law. Driving without at least a minimum level of liability insurance is illegal, and there's a good reason for that. If you cause an accident, you are legally responsible for the damages. This could mean paying for repairs to someone else's car, their medical bills, lost wages, and even legal fees if they sue you. Without insurance, these costs would come directly out of your own pocket. Imagine having to pay tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. For most people, that would be financially devastating. Car insurance steps in to cover these costs, protecting your savings, your assets, and your future. So, the most obvious benefit is financial protection. Let's paint a picture. You're driving home, and for a split second, you're distracted. You rear-end the car in front of you. It's a new luxury sedan. The driver and passenger both complain of neck pain. Suddenly, you're on the hook for expensive car repairs and potentially massive medical bills. The other driver might need physical therapy, miss work, and decide to sue you for pain and suffering. If you don't have insurance, you're facing this crisis alone. Your savings could be wiped out. Your wages could be garnished. You could even lose your home. But with insurance, you just make a phone call. Your insurance company handles the claims, the negotiations, the lawyers, and the payments up to your policy limits. It transforms a potential life-altering catastrophe into a manageable inconvenience. This is the core reason car insurance is non-negotiable, but it's not just about protecting you from costs you cause. What if the other driver is at fault, but they don't have insurance? Or what if they have the bare minimum coverage that doesn't even begin to cover your medical bills or car repairs? This is where uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage comes in. It's an optional but highly recommended part of your policy. It acts as a safety net when the person who hit you can't pay. Think about it. You can be the safest driver in the world, but you can't control the actions of others. With this coverage, your own insurance company steps in to pay for your expenses, so you're not left holding the bag for someone else's mistake or irresponsibility. This is a huge piece of the peace of mind puzzle. Let's talk about your own car. Liability insurance only covers damage to others. It doesn't do a thing to fix or replace your vehicle. For that, you need two other types of coverage: collision and comprehensive. Collision coverage pays for damage to your car if you hit another vehicle or an object, like a pole or a guardrail, regardless of who is at fault. Whether it's a small fender bender or a major crash that totals your car, collision coverage helps you get it repaired or replaced. Comprehensive coverage is for almost everything else. It's for the unexpected events that have nothing to do with a collision. Think theft, vandalism, a tree falling on your car during a storm, hitting a deer, a fire, or even a cracked windshield from a rock on the highway. Without comprehensive coverage, you would have to pay for these repairs or a brand new car entirely on your own. For anyone with a car that's worth more than a few $1,000s, these coverages are essential. Beyond accidents, having car insurance brings a lot of other valuable perks. Many policies come with roadside assistance. If you get a flat tire, run out of gas, lock your keys in the car, or your battery dies, you can just make a call and help is on the way, often at no extra cost. Some policies also include rental car reimbursement. If your car is in the shop for repairs after a covered accident, your insurance can help pay for a rental so your life isn't put on hold. You can still get to work, take your kids to school, and run your errands without a major disruption. These might seem like small things, but when you're in a stressful situation, they make a world of difference. They smooth out the bumps in the road, literally and figuratively. Now, let's talk about something incredibly important: peace of mind. The psychological benefit of knowing you're protected is immense. When you get behind the wheel, you can drive with confidence, knowing that if the worst-case scenario happens, you have a powerful financial resource on your side. You're not constantly worrying about what would happen if you were in an accident. This frees you up to focus on what matters: driving safely. This sense of security extends to your family, too. You know that an accident won't bankrupt your household or jeopardize their financial future. This isn't just about money, it's about emotional and mental well-being. The road can be unpredictable, but with the right insurance policy, you're prepared for that unpredictability. Some people might think, I'm a great driver, I'll never get in an accident. I'll just save money by not buying insurance or getting the cheapest plan possible. This is a dangerous gamble. First, as we've said, even the best drivers can't control what others do. A reckless or uninsured driver could crash into you at any moment. Second, accidents are, by definition, accidental. A sudden storm, a deer darting into the road, a mechanical failure. These things can happen to anyone, anytime, and skimping on coverage can be a classic case of being penny-wise and pound-foolish. Saving a few dollars a month on your premium could end up costing you tens of thousands of dollars later. The purpose of insurance isn't to pay for something you expect to happen. It's to protect you from the unexpected events that have the power to derail your life. So how do you make sure you have the right coverage? It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The best policy for you depends on your car's value, how much you drive, where you live, and your personal financial situation. It's crucial to talk to a licensed insurance agent. They can walk you through your options, explain what different coverages mean, and help you find a policy that provides adequate protection without breaking the bank. Don't just click the first Buy Now button you see online. Take the time to understand your liability limits, your deductibles, and what optional coverages, like uninsured motorist or rental reimbursement, might be right for you. A little bit of time spent now can save you an incredible amount of stress and money down the road. In conclusion, car insurance is so much more than just a monthly expense or a legal requirement. It's your financial shield. It protects your assets from devastating lawsuits. It covers your medical bills and those of others. It repairs or replaces your car after an accident or unforeseen event. It provides peace of mind, allowing you to drive confidently. And it ensures that one bad moment on the road does not turn into a lifetime of financial hardship. Driving without it isn't just risky. It's a bet against yourself that you can't afford to lose. So please, review your policy, talk to an agent, and make sure you and your family are properly protected. It's one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make. Thanks for watching today. I hope this breakdown has helped you see car insurance in a new light. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you navigate your financial life. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.